Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Also, make sure you like, comment, and or subscribe if you haven't done so also. If you're interested in the demo, dancing along to this dance, watch till the end and I'll post it at the end of this video. The next, this dance I'm going to teach you is called Taking Chances. So instructors, you know that good old dance you've been doing with great music, and some way, somehow, it dropped off your playlist. That's one of these dances. The music is timeless, so when you go back and you pick it up and put it back on your playlist, it feels brand new. And to give you an example of that, when you look at the video of the demo, you're like, man, that's an old video. That's right. I did it like 8 years ago, and it might be older than that. So come on, guys, I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. Let's go. So stand on this side of the room, facing in this direction, okay? Now, we're gonna start with a shuffle to the right. So our weight is on the left, and we're gonna shuffle to the right. Do I have all my lights on? Okay, so it feels dark in here. All right, we shuffle to the right. Right, left, right, and then we're gonna weave. Step behind, step forward, front, okay? So we shuffle to the right, shuffle, 1 and 2, weave 3 and 4. Again, the weight is on the right, on the left, I'm sorry. Our weight is on the left, and we're gonna step to our right. Right, left, right, step behind, step front. Okay? Then I come forward with my right leg. Right, left, right, left. I just do it like a push and pull. Right, left, right, left. Then I'm gonna go forward on that right again, and I'm gonna do a step pivot turn twice, coming back to this wall. Right, left, right, left. So I'm just doing a full turn. If you don't want to turn, just do a rocking chair. Right, left, right, left. Okay? Now let's put that together. Weight is on the left. I'm shuffling to my right and going to weave, and then a push and pull with that right leg coming forward. Right, left, left. I step forward on that right, step pivot half, and step pivot half with my right shoulder coming forward. Or a rocking chair. Right, left, left. Okay? Weight is on the left. 5, 6, 7, shuffle right. Right, left, right, behind, step forward, right, left, left. Step forward and pivot. Right, left. From here, we're going to do a jazz square. Crossover, right, left, and then a triple. Right, left, right. And we're doing that triple so we can do the same thing that we did in the opposite direction. So what we did on the right, we're going to do to the left. So what did I do? A jazz square, crossing over, right, left, and then a triple, right, left, right. So that's pretty much part 1. We're just going to do it on the right, and then we're going to do it on the left. The same thing, okay? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, shuffle right. 1 and 2, behind, step forward. Right, left, pivot. Right, left, jazz square, cross it over. Right, left, right. Do it one more time and I'll give you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, weave 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz square. 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. So my last step is on my right. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing moving to my left, starting with the shuffle on my left leg. My weight is on my right first. Now, When I first started, my weight was on the left. Now my weight is on my right. I shuffle to the left. Left, right, left. Step behind, step front. Forward with that left. Left, right, left, right. Step forward on that left again. Left shoulder coming forward. Step, pivot, half. Do it again. Step, step, pivot, half. Crossing over on that left. Jazz square. Left, right with a triple step. Left, right, left. And I'm back where I started with my weight on my left. Let's do it again. Shuffle to the left. Left, right, left. Step behind, step front. Left, right, left, right. We're going to call that a push and pull, okay? Push, pull, push, pull. Pivot around. If your people don't want to pivot around, just tell them to do a rocking chair, which is rock up and rock back. 1, 2, left, 3, and 4, okay? So we go left, right, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half. And that's with that left shoulder coming forward. Then we go with our jazz square, cross over on the left. Left, right with a triple step. Left, right, left. Now, let's put both of those steps together. We basically doing the same thing twice. That's all you're doing. You're going to the right and then going to the left. Weight is on the left. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle. 1 and 2, weave 3 and 4. Push 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz square. 5, 6, triple 7 and 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2. Weave 3 and 4. Push and pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I feel you have it. I feel it. Okay? Now, we went side to side. Now it's time to go forward. So let's do a cha-cha. Up with a rock, recover, and come back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5, and 6, 7, 8. Real simple, right? Now we're going to do a salsa step twice. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, start with the cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, upright. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5, and 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. And we're going to change up just a little bit. So a shuffle up again. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5, and 6, shuffle 7, 8. So I'm going to do like a shuffle to give me a reset to change my direction. Okay, so we're going to use this step right here. Shuffle 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back 5, and 6, shuffle 7, 8, which is right, left. Okay, so let's put that together with the cha-cha, the salsa, and the cha-cha up with the shuffle. Right, left. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back on the left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now, the next part, guess what we're going to do? We're going to combine. So the part 1, we went to the right. Part 2, we went forward. Okay? So this one is going to be, this part here is going to be a combination of the two. We're going to shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So we're doing like a linde. They call it a linde, which you shuffle to the right and do a rock recover. 1 and 2, rock recover. 3, 4, 5, and 6, back 7, 8. We're not going to the left. So normally when you do a linde, you go 1 and 2, 3, 4. You might go to the left, 5 and 6, and rock back here. We're not going to do that. We're going to shuffle to the right, 1 and 2, and do a rock recover. 3 and 4, take it back. 5, 7, 8, because we're getting ready to go forward. Okay, so there's no need to go to that side because we're going to forward. And from here, we're going to do a heel, step, rock, recover, swirl, half turn, right, left. Did you see that? So now we're finally going to make a turn to a different wall. That doesn't make it a 2-wall dance. This is a 1-wall dance because each time you start over, you're at the same wall. So we shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, rock, recover. 3, 4, left. 5 and 6, back. 7, 8, heel, heel, step, rock, recover, swirl left, swirl, turn, right, left. Right shoulder come back, half turn. From here, we're going to repeat that step again. Shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, 5 and 6, back. 7, 8. Heel, step, rock, recover, swirl, step, right, left. So you're going to do that part twice, okay? And that's the end of the dance. So we're going to put all that together. So I'm going to say it's 3 parts, okay? And you're back at the top. So let's go over that step again. Shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, 5 and 6, back. 7, 8. Let me make a note of this. This step moving forward almost looks the same, but we're taking out the cha-cha, the triple step. We're just going, slowing it down. Heel, step, rock, recover, swirl, half turn, right, left. That's the difference. You're not doing a cha-cha. You shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, 5 and 6, back. 7, 8. No cha-cha. It's the heel, step, rock, recover, swirl left, half turn, right, left. And that's the end of the dance. So let's put it all together. All together. The music is Freddie Jackson. I mean, it's a classic. Nice and smooth. So let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle. So let me get a review. Let's do the review first, then we'll put it together. So we shuffle, we do that weave, back and forward. Push and pull, and we pivot, and we finish with a jazz square, triple step. So the same thing we do on the right, we do it on the left, okay? So we're going side to side. The next part, we're gonna cha-cha up, cha-cha back with the salsa, salsa and salsa. Then we cha-cha up, cha-cha back, and we shuffle right, left. Remember? Now, we're going to do that part where we finally do the half turn. So it's a combination of moving to the side, moving back, and then doing that heel step, rock, recover, swirl, half turn, right, left, and then do it again. Okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. To the right. Shuffle 1 and 2, weave 3 and 4. Push and pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz square. 5, 6. Triple. 7 and 8. Shuffle left. 1 and 2. Weave 3 and 4. Left up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step on that left. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross with that left. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Salsa 2 times. 1, 2, back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move it forward again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Shuffle. 7, 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2. Rock. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Straight back together. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl. 5, 6. Half. 7, 8. Shuffle to the right. 1 and 2. Rock, recover. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Straight back. 7, 8. Heel step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. And you back to the top. That's taking chances. So you you start back over. So in this dance, there's no tags, no bridges, no changes. So you do each part over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm breaking it down as such, the 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, walk, dance. Make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the FREEDIE teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.